everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to work on Project 100. We're going to put 6 paper kits together. Let's get started and then we can chat while I'm putting this together. So we're going to start with Carta Bella, True Friends. And this was in 2013, so 9 years ago. And what I decided to do is to go through my collections that I haven't even touched and to make some page kits with that. Now, I know I have done a ton of page kits using my scraps, and I have to say I have no regrets. No regrets doing that at all. And I'm going to do it again because what is the point of cutting into a sheet and then all of this is not used up? You need to make more than one layout with your collections if you want, oh, that's cute, if you want to get your money's worth. So, oh man. And of course, this is one of the favorite papers, but it's okay. Yeah, so you need to have use of your paper. So I'm definitely going to be doing that again. And because I'm doing this and I'm going to be cutting into a lot of pattern papers, I'm kind of hating my future self already because I know that those 4 containers that I have that are full of scraps, it's going to be more than 4. Okay, so the way I'm doing these page kits is I'm choosing collections that have stickers. I'm going to try to do at least 2 paper kits, and I'm going to use the stickers for 2 layouts. Okay, so these are some paper or page kits that I'm going to take to a crop that I'm going to in October. And we're going, we're going on vacation. So when I come back, it's going to be close to the time, you know what I mean? It's not going to be close, but I'm going to have less time. So I thought I got to get started now. Got to get making some pages now. Okay, so I don't see any pages that I like for the background. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to find papers that I like together. The only one for the background is maybe this one. I really like the feel of this paper. Like it feels textured. Anyway, it's weird, but I really like that. So I really like these too, but I like this too. So maybe what I should do, these here, I'm okay if I don't use them. So maybe I can sacrifice those so that I can use the rest. Let's just cut it. Let's make a decision here. And let's just cut it because I want to use those flowers on a layout. But I want to use those too. So let's just get it done. Just like that. This I'll use as this side, and this I'll use as the, as the cut aparts. So I'm going to throw that with this. Okay, and I'm going to throw the sticker sheets on there. And what I'm going to do is when I put them in the plastic bags, the baggies, I'm going to put the 2 that go together. I'm going to put the 2 baggies together and I'm going to put them together. And then that way I know those 2 need to use the same sticker sheets as far as, the rest of the embellishments. Now I have to say, the other video that I did just before this one, I was like, oh, if we have time, I'll make sure and add my embellishments right away, like my digital prints. That didn't happen because it was already at 16 minutes. And that is enough. Because if you add 5 minutes, which that's being generous, to add the digital prints per page, that would have been another 30 minutes. And I was like, nope. Nope, not happening. Okay, I think I like this one with this. Maybe. Let me see here if I can. I like this, but I don't know what else I could put with that. I really don't, unless I did something like this. Just a little bit of this. I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe this. Which one had I put on this before? Oh, this one. Maybe this. I kind of like that. I kind of like this. Maybe I can do a brick wall on this side, or I can do a brick wall here. So that's going to be it for paper. I'm just going to put some cardstock with this, and we're going to call this good. The next collection is On the Go by Bo Bunny, and this was 2012, so it's 10 years old. I've never used it. So I thought, I mean, Mason is 9 now, but there's nothing that says that I can't go back and find pictures of him when he was little and do these pages, right? Oh, I love this because one of our things, our digital files, is going to be road signs. Oh, and gears. I have gears on the list too. Yay. I'm just going through and seeing. Oh, I love this. Okay, I want to use this for sure. I like that blue one too. Okay, so there's these that I really like. Okay, I'm going to cut those apart for sure. That's so cute. Okay, and then there's this, the sticker sheet. Okay, awesome. Now let's find something. I like that blue too. So I'm going to use one of these sheets. Thankfully, there's 2 of each. So I'm going to use one as a background. It's nice and bright, so it's going to make an awesome background for a young boy, like a toddler's page. Do I want this with it? Or do I want something else? I think I like the gears. I think I like the gears with it. And maybe the stripes, or just the stripes. I don't know. I'll put both and then I can decide. And I like this. And then there's 3 of them here. Or is there 4? No, there's 3. Okay. Oh, I like this. So we can cut all this apart. So I'm going to put this one with this page kit. That's going to be cute. Now let's choose another one. I think, do I want the brown? I like that. It's got tire marks all over it. But I was hoping to use one of these cards. These might work. That one right there. Okay, so we'll put this one on here. And then, let me see. Brown should be easy enough to find something. Oh, that is so cool. And that, I might just cut some pieces out of this because that's pretty busy. That is pretty busy. And maybe the yellow with this one. Let's do the yellow. Okay, so that's the second one. And that'll be that for this page kit. The last collection we're going to use in this video is from Bo Bunny Beach Therapy, and this was in 2016. So let's see if we can get 2 pages. That's beautiful, but man, you wouldn't be able to see anything with that. So I don't know if you could like cut it out, but I like this one. I think I'm going to use that side. at least for one of the layouts. Would that be cool if I just cut like, and maybe put that on the side? That'd be cool with some of my boarding pictures. Yeah, let's do that. I have a paddle board. Not good at it, but I can stand up. I can't do much else yet, but I can't stand up. And this summer I probably won't use it at all, so I'm not going to get any better, if you will. But hey, I do have some pictures. I like this, and you know what? I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to cut or punch some of those circles. And then, should I use this? No, it's words like that. That has words. This has words. Too much. Too much. Oh, that's cute too. So do I want to do the paddle boards down here instead? Just cut that off with the paddle boards. I think I do. I think I do. So I'm going to do that. And maybe I can leave that in there and just cut one of those out and use it as an, you know, an element, like a die cut. I like that idea. Okay, I have a lot of stuff to cut apart, but not a lot to use, you know, as layering or anything like that. I don't think I'll find anything here. It's pretty busy papers, like really busy papers. Okay. I don't know what I want to do. I think I like this one here. I'm going on the second one already because I just don't know what to do for this one. I was kind of hoping to find, I don't know what would go well. Like a brown would be nice. Unless I can use the background to this. Like once I cut the paddle board that I want, I can use the background to that. Okay. This is one. Where are the stickers? Because we'll put them right in there. Awesome. And then we're on to our last one. Okay. And then that's gonna finish this one. So if I get to do all, 7 videos that I want to do, I should have and do 6 paper kits in each. That should give me 42 page kits. 42. And I think, plus the ones that I've already done before, I think this time I would like to bring 60. Because I'm going to cut all my digital files before I go. And we're going to try and break that record of 42 layouts. Definitely. It's okay. I want to use this. I want to use this with this background. And I'll probably add, cardstock with that. And then I'm not going to put that in there. I'm just going to put myself a little note to get circle paper from other page kit. From other page kit. And then when I come back, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep all of these all together. And then, which I have a container, right? I put all my Project 100 paper kits together. So those will be at the top. And then we will start putting them together, like putting just the viewfinders, the 1.5-inch circles, the labels, the arrows, that kind of stuff. And what I'm going to try to do, because I did 2 paper kits from each collection, they should have the same tones. So when I put them together, I'm going to put the two on my desk at the same time, and we'll do it at the same time. So it should cut down on time there, that, that way too. So that is awesome. So that's it. We're going to end it here, and I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.